Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple and free method to restore your Snapstreaks. If you've ever lost a streak with your friends on Snapchat, don't worry, I have a solution for you. Stay tuned to learn how to get your Snapstreaks back without any hassle. First, open the Snapchat app and click on the account option. Then open the settings, scroll down and click on I need help. Here, click on I lost my Snapstreak. You will see fill out this form at the end. Click on this form. First, enter your username, then enter your email address and mobile number. Also, enter your device information. Here, enter the username of the person with whom you lost the streak. And here, provide details about your streak, including when you lost your Snapstreak. And here, enter the details of your streak, including how long was your Snapstreak before it expired. And here, enter the description of how you lost it and provide all the details. After filling out the form, submit it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this method helps you restore your Snapstreaks effortlessly. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Your support means a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.